Hi, I'm Kate from the Studio of English, and today we're looking at the phrasal verb confide in. So first of all, let's look at an example sentence together, which will definitely help you to understand what it means. Sadie is very trustworthy. Angela often confides in her about personal matters. So what is the correct definition of this phrasal verb? So if you confide in someone, do you speak confidently to them on a subject that you know a lot about? Or B, tell them a lie? Or C, tell them about a private matter? Yes, it is in fact C, well done. It means to trust another person enough to discuss a private or personal matter with them. So that's it for this short lesson. If you found it helpful, please give it a rating and remember to subscribe to receive more of these videos to help you with your English. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.